Hola lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make coconut macaroons. Now this cookie has a sweet coconut flavor. The outside of the cookie is crispy golden brown and the inside it is very soft and chewy. You can eat them as it is or you can dip the bottoms in chocolate like I've done over here. So let's get started. So first of all, take a bowl and add 2 egg whites into it. To that I'm going to add some sugar and salt. And now I'm just going to whisk that together just to mix this all properly. And now I'm going to keep this over a saucepan of simmering water like this. Now keep mixing this mixture until it's just warm to the touch. Now remember, we just have to warm this up and we have to see that sugar should be melted too, because we don't want to cook our egg whites. So just when it is warm we are going to take it off. Now once this is warm, take it off the heat and see it's nice and creamy, and add some vanilla extract into this and mix it again. And now I'm going to sift some cake flour into this. Now if you don't have cake flour, you can make it home. Take 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, remove half tablespoon of it and replace it with half tablespoon of corn flour, and then mix it properly, and that is your substitute for the cake flour. And so now I'm going to mix this together again. So now our last ingredient is left. Yes, it is none other than coconut. And now I'm adding my coconut into this mixture. I'm using here unsweetened coconut. If you want to add sweetened one, you can go ahead, you can do that. Now mix this all together. We have to make sure that all the coconut is moistened. Now once this is mixed properly, we are going to cover this and put it into the refrigerator to chill for about 2 hours or so, or until it is firm. Now after 2 hours, our batter is firm now. See? Now preheat your oven to 165 degrees Celsius and line your baking sheet with parchment paper. Now what you have to do is take your ice cream scoop, take some batter into that and put the batter on the prepared tray. Keep some distance between the cookies so that they do not stick to each other. Now lightly moisten your hands with some water and just shape them properly. Make them I like to make them in dome shape. Now this is going to make 12 to 14 macaroons, and if you want to bake more, simply double the recipe. So these are 13 macaroons that have come out of this batter. So now bake this for 15, 18 or 20 minutes depending upon your OTG. So we actually want them to turn golden brown or light. So if we will bake more, the center will also become hard, which we don't want. So our coconut macaroons are now done. They are nice golden brown. Now let them cool, and we'll come back and dip them in chocolate once they are cool. So now they are cool. I'm going to prepare our chocolate. This is semi-sweet chocolate in a bowl, and I've added some butter into this, and I'm going to heat this in a microwave in 30 seconds interval. Stir it and it's ready. And now I'm going to dip the bottoms of the macaroons in the chocolate like this, and I'm going to place this on a tray that is lined with parchment paper. So do this for all the macaroons. When all are done, keep the tray in the refrigerator until the chocolate is hardened. Now see, these are our final ready macaroons, crisp from outside but very soft from inside, and they are yummy. If you like coconut cookie, you are going to love these. So one thing more, the macaroons made with unsweetened coconut will be drier as compared to the ones made with sweetened one, which will be more moist. But I like to make them with the unsweetened coconut. So do try this one and let me know in the comment section below if you want to see the eggless version of this recipe. And if you try this, do not forget to share the pictures with me on my Instagram with the hashtag BakeWithDeepali. And if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe for many more such easy peasy desserts. Do not forget to like and share this video with your family and friends. And until we meet again, please take good care of yourself. Bye bye.